Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel avasluxurysforless with me Avanita. Guys, in my video today I'm just going to show you a quick DIY vase that I made out of some stuff that I have at home. So guys, in this video, as you can see, I didn't use a lot of stuff. I just used some gems and also some bowls that I have here at home. So guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Happy New Year everyone. Thank you so much for your support throughout 2020. It has been an amazing year, you know, despite other things. So guys, thank you so much. So as you can see, I'm just using my hot glue gun just to go around this bowl that I got from a Sam99. Yeah, it's Sam99. I got 3 of them for £1 and I used one in my Christmas decor. I'll leave a link with that video below, or I'll leave that video on my Instagram page if you want to check it out. And I'm just going around with some gems. I got these gems from One Below. They're 45 in 1 pack for £1. So as I want to say before, as I continue to say before, guys, thank you so much. If you're new here, guys, go ahead and like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And for my returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much. So I picked up the bowl. They're 2 for I think £2.50 in Wilko. I'm not sure, but I'll leave a link below if I can find it. And the gems, as I said, I got them for £1 for 45. There's 45 in each pack and I got them for £1 at One Below. So guys, please be very careful with your hot glue. Remember, we're using plastic and also we're using hot glue, so please be very careful. Guys, this was a simple decor that I had an idea, but then somebody else did it and I'm just like, I try, and I ask her and do you mind if I use it? She's like, oh no, go ahead. And I'm like, all right then. I really love the end result. She did a different decor on this. She's on Instagram as decor.snippet or snippet.decor. I don't remember. I'll have a look and then I'll post it below. But she is really amazing. I've got a lot of DIY decor tips from her. She's so amazing. So guys, I'm not sure if you went ahead on my Instagram page. I think it was on Tuesday. I mentioned that there are certain things that are changing on my Instagram page. So I won't be doing any makeovers this year because obviously I have a lot of things planning. So I won't be doing a lot of makeover, but I'll try to do a lot of decor and then also upcycle. So you guys can have an idea as to what you can do with stuff that you have at home, or, you know, stuff that you got from the charity shop, or as the others, the thrift store. So this is what my vase looks like after I've put the top and the bottom on. Just don't mind my hair. By the way, I braided my hair. Took me so long, but I actually enjoyed it. So this is just optional. I'm using some artificial flowers that I got from eBay. These are actually the other ones from the ones I got that I used to make my autumn wreath. So I'll leave a link with the price and everything in the description box below. But yeah, you don't have to use the artificial flowers. You can pour water into the bowl or the vase that we've created and put fresh flowers. But this is the first look. And guys, please tell me what you think of this look. It's a simple little decor, really simple and beautiful. And this is the second decor. I'm not gonna say, but I really like this one more. I mean, these are some Christmas picks that I have left over. I actually packed my Christmas stuff away, and these 3 pieces I decided they look too nice. I don't want to put them away. They don't have that kind of you know, traditional Christmas stuff in it, so they do look nice. I decided to keep them downstairs instead of putting them in the attic. And yeah, this is what my second decor looks like. So guys, comment below and let me know what you think. Which of the decor do you like? The first one or the second one, or this second one? I just had these 2 hurricane candle holders. I got them from BnM last month. Is it December? Yeah. And I paid £10 each. And this is my favorite decor. I'm sorry I keep showing it again, but I really like it. I love the way it looks. At the moment, it's still in my hallway, and I'm so in love with it. It looks so nice, looks so elegant. You can't tell that these were just gems and, you know, bowls that I got literally from the pound store. So I'm really happy with my end result. Guys, comment below and let me know what you think, and also if this is something that you would like to try. This is something simple that you can try, and also Valentine's Day is coming up. You can get red roses and put it in there. It would look so nice, so really nice. You know what I mean? It would look really nice. So let me know what you think, guys. This angle is so amazing. I love this side. It's so cool. I love it. I still can't believe that I actually done this. Okay, I know I keep saying that everything that I do, I said I can't believe, but you know, sometimes you tell yourself, oh, I can't be bothered, and then after you put that effort in it and you realize that you've done really well, you surprise yourself and you start to question yourself. I thought I wouldn't do this very well, but you've done. So I'm not lying. This is my favorite decor, and I really love it so much. As you can see, the flowers, actually I got them from Home Bargain. I went back to check, but there wasn't any. So I'm sorry if you're not able to pick this up in store, but either way, you can get other flowers, really nice flowers, and just add in there if you don't want to add fresh flowers in there. So guys, thank you so much for checking out my channel, and I hope to see you guys soon. So guys, this is a little decor wreath that I did for my front door. I had to take down my Christmas wreath, so this is what my front door wreath looks like at the moment. So guys, as I said, thank you so much for checking out my video with me. Thank you so much for checking out my first video of 2021. So guys, I hope to see you soon in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.